If we take a look at your LT1 assignment, don't forget your name. Important. Okay, on question number 2, you'll see there are multiple correct answers. So I'm not going to give you one single answer here, but make sure your slopes are the same, or your change in y's are the same when you do this, because it can't be 0. On number 3, our y-intercept is 500, because that's what we're starting with, and we can say she's going to deposit $100. So I would say 500 plus 100t, or 5,000, I'm sorry. You could have that backwards because that's usually how we write it. So you could say 100t plus 5,000. On number 4, we're going to do the amount she spends. So she spends $600 the first week, so that is our y-intercept. And then she's going to spend $250 every week after that, so that's her slope. So we could write it as I wrote it here. That is 600 plus 250t, or you could write 250t plus 600, because we're doing how much she spends. Now, to find out how much she actually has in a bank account, we're going to subtract these two. So we're going to say 5,000 plus 100t, that's how much she's making each, or how much she's going to deposit. And we're going to subtract off, we're going to put her withdrawals, which will be 600 plus 250t. And then we'll just combine our like terms. Remember, distribute that negative, so you get 5,000 plus 100t. I'm going to get rid of my parentheses here because I don't need it anymore. Minus 600 minus 250t. Well, combine your like terms. We're going to take 5,000 minus 600. That's going to give us 4,400. And then we'll take 100 minus 250t. And that'll give us negative 150t. And that'll mean how much she's going to have in her bank account, which we'll call B of t. Now, on number 6, we want to know when is B of t 0. So in other words, 4,400 minus 150t is going to equal to 0. Well, let's solve for t. So I think what I'll do is I will keep my t's positive. I'm going to add 150t to both sides. So you get 4,400 equals 150t. I'll divide both sides by 150. And notice I can divide by 0, so I get 440 divided by 15, which is 29, equals t. And then since it's a word problem, let's answer in the complete sentence. So we're going to say in about 29 weeks. Don't forget the units. She'll run out of money in 29 weeks.